Hello, welcome to another episode of Dutch Guy's Garage. This is a short little what have we have been up to video, and we've been very busy. We've made some good progress on our new barn area. Lots of fill brought in. Got our new driveway all done. And it's quite nice. And yeah, working on the homestead. And I did buy a new car. Something that fell out of the sky, so to speak. So let me show you guys this one. It's got a little damage. But see if you guys can tell me what's special about this one. 1980 blacked out grill, 1 year only. Can you guess what it is? It's got a little damage, but it is a 1980 Plymouth Roadrunner. Now, I don't know what we're doing with this one yet, but being a 1980 Roadrunner, it was one of 494 just going off Roadrunner. And we do know it's Roadrunner because we went off the fender tag and whatnot. But going off the basics, did have a black grill. Fortunately, when it was a barn find, and when the tow truck driver hooked up to it, he hooked up to that fender and ripped everything, broke the grill, and pretty much massacred the whole front end of this thing, unfortunately. Not sure what happened there, but yeah, 1980 Roadrunner. It is a high back car, very nice interior, very nice. The stripes are not original. They're pretty cool though. They are. Somebody had a pretty great mind when they did them. So that is an old Polyglass that's seen some better time. So yeah, undecided on the fate of this one. It's actually more solid than I thought it was going to be, which is unfortunate because I was going to slice and dice all the parts off of it. And yeah, turns out it might be a worthy candidate, not for me, but for someone else to restore. It was being a one of 494, and you break it down by color codes and options and yada yada yada, and who knows, somebody might see something more in this thing than I do, because right now all I see is sport mirrors, trim, 3-piece spoiler, have the other part of the spoiler. These 1980 bumper fillers do not grow on trees anymore. This one's not in too bad a shape. Just gotta get that back down. I think it will come around. It's unfortunate the 1980 Roadrunner only grill is broken, but it'll make decent wall art because you can't just, Roadrunner grills of that year do not grow on trees. And I'm thinking, at the very least, that door, if I skinned it, would make some beautiful wall garage art. And I can get a quarter patch out of that if I do cut it. It's got a decent headliner. It's got a tough wheel, a brown tough wheel at that. You can kind of see that in there. So, it's a good parts car, at the very least. But somebody might want to restore it. I don't know. It's these things find me. When you get to be known for one body style in particular, cars find you. It was kind of one of those instances where I just got a phone call. Well, actually, my dad got a phone call, and this thing was headed to be crushed into Priuses and Kias and whatnot, and yeah. So, car found me. Just like a lot of our other cars, they just find me. Ooh, that door skin is just flappy. That door does not open. Well, that's unfortunate. I'll have to fix that. Car has no keys at the moment, but we got her on the trailer. So, floors were decently solid. Floor or rails looked like they were pretty good. Actually, did come with police wheels in all four corners. The other one's in the trunk, but looks like well, somebody already drilled the trunk lock out halfway before I got to it. But oh, ow! Stick my finger in a metal sliver. That's a smart guy. 7 1/4 smashed gas tank. You know, it's nice. Oh, there's some nice quarter drops on either side of this, so that won't be bad. Nice taillights, nice trunk lid. So, yeah, that's what we've been up to. Nothing much, nothing too exciting. Our garage actually the frame shipped today. So we should be seeing our frame soon, which means I need to get concrete done. And then the new Dutch Guy Garage headquarters can be assembled. And that's exciting for me. I'm very excited for that. Having all of our toys in one building with our new lifts and all of our parts organized. I'm ready for that. So, but yeah, this is the Rat Runner, I guess is what we're going to call it. Don't know what we're going to do with it. I might see if it runs, just for giggles. That way if I do part it out, I can't say the motor does run. And I kind of like doing things that fascinate me. And it's an old Chrysler motor, so if it spins, it wins. So, I think our next upcoming video, we will be racing the old Super Coupe. So, stay tuned for that with all of our modifications we've done. So, yeah, we'll see if I can get something done on Rat Runner this weekend. Whether it's cutting it up into little pieces and seeing how it runs, or watching it drive away in a trailer. So, alright, we'll see you guys in the next one. This is Dutch Guy's Garage. I gotta get back to work.